So, hello and welcome back, everyone, to a sip of coffee online with When India. And our today's session has a twist. We will be inviting our guest, and she will be sharing her beautiful American diamond jewelry collection with all of you. Ragni is from Hyderabad, and she believes all women are beautiful. And little accessories, what she is going to showcase today, just enhances the beauty a little more. She has her customers in India and abroad as well. And so, yes, she can ship all over the world. Do check her collection and order for yourself, friends, and family. So, Ragni, show is all yours.
Hello everyone, good evening. First of all, many thanks to Vandita ma'am for a beautiful introduction of mine. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm Rani.
You're very welcome.
Good evening to everyone. And now I'm going to show you my collection of American diamonds of necklace, bangles and chains. And to give a little intro of myself, I'm a business analyst and also personal development trainer. I have given many shows in ETV Life also. I stay in Hyderabad, and recently, due to this pandemic situation, many of my friends and relatives told me that shopping was little hard to go outside and do these all things. So I have decided to start an online American diamonds jewelry business. So now it's going on like this. So please, now I'm going to show all the things to you. Let me know if you like anything. Thank you. First one, I'm going to show you an American diamond necklace. It was very beautiful and gorgeous necklace, American diamonds it is. You can see here, the color was baby pink. The length of this chain was 8.5 inches. You can adjust here. You can see this. It was adjustable. You'll get the earrings too for this. Worldwide shipping was available. And for worldwide shipping like abroad, like Canada, Australia, and America, delivery charges are applicable. Please note this. In India, it might be delivered just within 2 to 3 days, hardly. If it's like Bangalore or North India, it takes 2 to 3 days. If it's like Hyderabad, any Warangal area, it takes around 1 day to delivery. And this chain cost only 1,800 rupees. Very affordable price it is. And next chain was American diamonds necklace. It is. Even it is very beautiful and gorgeous. You can see here. And it is mint color and white combination. It is party wear. You can wear this on your sari and dress, gagras especially. You look more beautiful on this. This chain was very classy. These are the earrings you can see here. Classy and gorgeous too. These are very cute actually. It costs just 1,900 rupees only. Even this is American, whatever I'm showing, these all are American diamond stones only. Very premium quality, and it was silver coated. You can see here, silver coated chain it is. It's navy blue color and white American diamond stones. This is very simple chain. You can wear it on your Punjabi dresses, salwar, anything. You can see here the earrings. Very small earrings, cute. It looks so royal also. It costs 1,800 rupees only. And another mint color chain, the trendy chain it is. This is silver coated chain, very gorgeous and beautiful and cute it is. It cost only 1,950, and every chain, the length will be around 8.5 to 9 approximately, mostly. And delivery charges are available for abroad countries. In India, delivery charges are free. It takes just 2 to 3 days in India, whereas in abroad countries, it takes more than 1 week based on the place. It cost only 1,950. You can use it as like choker, simple dress, just casual wear it is. But this stones looks very nice. You can see very shiny in real. And this is another very beautiful and gorgeous piece of American diamonds. It was a silver coated chain and completely white color with beautiful flowers. This is party wear chain completely. Earrings are too small. Even this is 8.5 inches chain it is. You can see here. It costs just 1,500 rupees only. You can adjust here. You can wear it on white color gagra, anything. Those who like white color, this is the best choice for you. Evening party wear it is. And another, the red color lovers can wear this. This is red and maroon color combo. This is American diamond chain. Beautiful and cute chain it is. 8.5 inches again it is. You can adjust here. You can see here. Very rare collection it is. With beautiful design. It is very shiny and classy. Premium quality. American diamonds chain. It is party wear one. It cost 1,950 rupees only. And who like baby pink, light pink, pink lovers? We all girls are the lovers of the baby pink, right? So this is the best choice for them. Here you can see. Very simple. You can wear it for regular wear, for office, anywhere. Very simple one. It cost only 1,700 rupees only. 1700. Silver coated. And this is another royal navy blue chain. You can see here the earrings. These are American diamonds. Worldwide shipping are available. It takes more than 1 week based on the place. Delivery charges are applicable for worldwide deliveries. And in India, it takes only just 2 to 3 days based on the place again. Here you can see beautiful flowers, 3 flowers and navy blue color. 9 inches chain it is. You can adjust here with this. Very beautiful and classy. Party wear chain it is. And another beautiful piece, it's a choker, very, very gorgeous choker. You can wear it for your reception. You can gift it for your friends' reception. It's completely party wear choker it is. And it is very rare ruby piece with classy and nice design. It is coated with rose gold, very adjustable. Very, very adjustable it is. And with beautiful pearls, rose gold, with American diamonds and ruby color. Very rare piece it is. Here you will get the earrings. Very cute earrings. And it is Mantic also available for this. And it costs only 4,500 rupees only. And if you want to give this any chain or bangles or necklace to your friends, we will decorate like a gift box. You no need to bother about that. I'll send you if you want, or else you can go and check out my Empress Jewelry Instagram, how we will pack the gift one. And also you can check out the unboxing videos too. For sure you'll like them. Those are very trendy and classy too. We'll decorate with petals, red color, with beauty, with nice perfume. Everyone will like it. So this is another American diamond chain with the baby pink and classy, modern, trendy one. It costs just 1,300 rupees only. It looks like those who like a locket kind of chains, they can buy this. Earrings you will get little lengthy, but it's fine. They look very good. Even this is party wear and simple too. And this is another trendy chain, very classy. It looks little Western, not completely traditional. It's ruby color, red color, and colors, different colors are available in this chain. Gray color and navy blue. Different colors are available. You can see here. It cost only 1,300 rupees only. You can adjust here. You can wear it for your children and as well as for you too. You can adjust here. Same chain, gray color is available. It is very lightweight. 1,300 rupees. You can see here. Navy blue color also available. Total 3 colors. ₹1,300. All the 3 colors are 1,300 rupees only. And these are another type. These stones are little crushed stones, I can say them. The quality will be little different comparing to American diamonds. This is completely another model chain. Very lightweight. These are regular wear and trendy too. These are the earrings. It cost around 750 rupees only. Just 750 rupees. Very lightweight and gold coated. You'll get perfect back buttons for these earrings. You can see here. Very adjustable chain. 8 inches chain it is. And this is another chain, completely green. Who like green color, they can buy this with beautiful flower design and very simple, coated like it was rose gold coated earring. Very simple and nice, classy design. You can adjust through this. 8.5 inches. Worldwide shipping available. Delivery charges are applicable for worldwide delivery. It takes around 1 week to 1.5 week. And in India, it takes 2 to 3 days. In India, delivery charges are not applicable. It cost 1,200 rupees only. And this is another beautiful chain. And this is American Diamonds chain, very simple. Here you can see, these are the earrings. You can wear it for party too, very shiny and classy, gorgeous piece. It is very cute actually. It is coated with silver color. You'll get back button also. It cost 950 rupees only. Very reasonable price comparing to all other jewelry one, because I started it very just July only. So I'm selling it with very, very reasonable price. You can compare it with another jewelry shops too, if you want. And another red color chain. It was coated with silver color. It is just 1,250 rupees only. It is party wear chain. American Diamonds chain is it? It is necklace. 8.5 inches. You can adjust here. Beautiful piece it is. You can wear it on your pattu sarees, simple sarees, dresses, gagras. Very simple and lightweight. You look more gorgeous with these chains. And it is bottle green with American diamonds. Very gorgeous piece. 8.5 inches it is. It costs 2,100 rupees only. 2,100 rupees. 9 inches it is. Adjustable. Bottle green and silver coated, very shiny and classy evening party wear necklace it is. Very beautiful. And this chain is not a American diamond chain, but it is a crushed one. Very nice and trendy. Look very class on your sari. And you can wear it on simple dresses too. Ruby and the stones. You can see here. These are the earrings. You'll get 2 lines. Little different comparing to all other necklace. It cost only 850 rupees. 850. It is western weight chain. Very beautiful piece coated with rose gold. These are the earrings. The stones look very beautiful. You can wear it on any western wear dresses or Punjabi dresses you wish. It looks very good on you. Very trendy chain it is. It cost only 800 rupees. Just 800 rupees. 800. And this is another imported chain. Gray color. Beautiful one. Lightweight. Gold coated back one. Very adjustable chain it is. Here you can see. Very lightweight. You can adjust with this. And earrings looks more prettier than the necklace. Gorgeous piece it is. With premium quality. It cost just 950 rupees. These are very simple chain, lightweight, gold color, maroon color. Gold color coated and maroon color stones. You will get earrings like this. Very simple. It cost only 450 rupees. You'll get the back buttons. Just 8.5 inches it is. 450 rupees only. And this is another traditional piece. You can gift it for your friends' functions or marriage functions, and also you can wear it for. Right now, this is a marriage season and very good season, right? So you can wear it and gift it for your friends too. Very traditional. You can wear it on sari. It looks very fabulous, and as well on your gagras, off saris, whatever you want. It's a beautiful collection with the combination of gold color coated with green and ruby. It cost only 540 rupees. And this is another beautiful piece. Very lightweight, 9 inches. Two beautiful studs. Gold coated. And the stones also will be little light brown color. Back buttons are available. It cost only 450 rupees. Just 450 rupees. Okay. Here you can adjust it. Just 8 inches. And these are the bangles. You'll get the bangles for this combo set. Gold coated. Cream color pearls. And you'll get 2 earrings. This is a cotton. Don't worry about it. We'll pack in a cotton box. See here. We'll pack in a cotton box. And you'll get ring too. Finger ring it is. This is a combo set with beautiful earrings, bangles, and necklace. It costs just 1,350 rupees only because it is a combo set. 1,350, 1350. And it is another pearl set. Cream color pearl set. You will get mantika earrings. It costs only 930 rupees. You'll get colors in this. These are very simple, lightweight, pink color. You can wear it on gagra. It looks very perfect on your gagra. Mantika and earrings too. Very beautiful earrings. It costs just 1010. And another choker with beautiful stones. Heavy choker it is. Very heavy choker. Earrings are available and also mantika. Just 1100 it is. Party wear. And another choker with beautiful black color. Mantika available and also 2 earrings. Grand wear it is. Party wear. It looks very grand and very gorgeous piece it is. Black color. If you like any chain, choker or necklace, please take a screenshot of it and send it to me in my WhatsApp. And now I'm going to show you bangles, American diamond bangles. Those are many necklaces, chains. For that, you can go to my Instagram page, Empress Jewelry, and please check it out. And right now I'm going to show you American diamond bangles. These are very classy bangles. Baby pink color is available. Rose gold coated. Size 24. 2426 available. Right now I'm showing you the 24 size. And cost 1,500 rupees. You'll get 2 bangles. These are very classy, lightweight, baby pink color. And another bangle, 1,200 rupees. These are American diamond bangles only. If you want, you can add another bangles with this. You'll get 2 bangles. It costs 1,200 rupees only. Very classy. Party wear bangles, rose gold. 24 and 2 size are available. These are ruby color bangles. You'll get 2 bangles, very classy and rare collection of ruby. Gold coated, completely gold coated with beautiful American diamonds and ruby color. You'll get 2 bangles with the cost of just 1,700 rupees only. These all are premium quality bangles. 24 and 26 sizes are available. And these are baby pink color, rose gold coated bangles, American diamond bangles. These are 2 bangles are available and it costs just 900 rupees. These are just 900 rupees. Worldwide shipping are available. Delivery charges are applicable for worldwide. Whereas in India, delivery charges are free. It takes just 2 to 3 days for delivery in India. It costs just 900 rupees. And these bangles cost just 800 rupees. Rose gold coated. These are very classy, shiny and lightweight and very gorgeous piece and very premium quality bangles. These are. You'll get 2 bangles, just 800 rupees. Party wear bangles these are. And another cute bangles. These are American diamond bangles, rose gold coated, 24 and 28 sizes are available. It costs just 1,250 rupees. 1,250 rupees. You'll get 2 bangles. Very gorgeous bangles. Lightweight party wear. And it costs just 1,000 rupees. You can see here a small mango with baby pink color, silver coated, 24 and 26 size are available. You'll get 2 bangles. It costs just 1,000 rupees. Very shiny and classy party wear bangles. Even these are very classy bangles, American diamonds, very rare collection. Here you'll get baby pink and mint color with rose gold coating. It costs just 1,300 rupees. 1,300 rupees. Very classy bangles these are. And these are gold coated bangles. Very cute and simple design. You'll get 2 bangles, just 1,000 rupees. Very cute bangles these are. Very classy design with premium quality. Just 1,000 rupees, 2 bangles. You'll get 4 bangles in this. These are American diamond bangles. You can add another bangles you have with them. You can wear it on saris also. It looks very beautiful. 4 bangles, gold coated. 1,200 rupees only. 1,200. 1,200. These are very rare piece with beautiful rose gold flower coated one, mint color. You can see here the flowers also. 2 bangles, 2-4 size available. Delivery charges are applicable for worldwide shipping, whereas in India, delivery charges are free. For more collection, please visit my Instagram page, Empress Jewelry. It costs just 850 rupees. Baby pink color, 2 bangles with rose gold coating. It costs just 1,300 rupees. 2 bangles, very pretty bangles, baby pink. Baby pink lovers can buy this. 2-4, 2-6 sizes are available. 2-4 and 2-6 size. These are 1,300 rupees. Very classy bangles. 4 bangles are available. Silver color coated. 4 bangles. Party wear bangles. These are very classy bangles. Very shiny and classy. For sure you love them. It costs just 900 rupees. Only 900 rupees. Lightweight. These are regular wear bangles, just 700 rupees, white color, glassy coating with silver coated. It looks very shiny and classy. Just 700 rupees. 2-4 size available. 2-4. These are 750 rupees. Ruby and American stones, gold coated. 2-6 and 2-8 size are available. 2-6 and 2-8. If you want to order another size, please order us. We will deliver it within 1 week. Just 750 rupees, ruby and American diamond bangles. And these cost 1,600 rupees only. 4 bangles with gold coated, very pretty bangles. You can add some other bangles. Just 1,600 rupees only. Worldwide shipping available. It takes around 1 week for abroad countries, whereas in India it takes just 2 to 3 days. In India, delivery charges are not applicable. For more collection, please follow Empress Jewelry on Instagram. 1,600 rupees only. And mint color American diamond bangles, rose gold, 2 bangles. It costs just 900 rupees only. 900 rupees only. For our unboxing videos, please follow our Empress Jewelry on Instagram. You can see how we will pack our necklace and our bangles and also our earrings. It costs just 900 rupees only. And these bangles are the combination of the ruby color and also white American diamonds coated with gold color. It costs just 650 rupees only. Only 650 rupees. 2-4 size available. And 2-6 also. 2-4 and 2-6, just 650 rupees. 650. And these are very lightweight, very small stones. These are regular wear bangles. It just cost only 300 rupees. These are regular wear bangles, gold and white color. These are just 300 rupees only. And even these are regular wear bangles, Kundan bangles. You can see here, very beautiful, golden color, coated with gold color and sky blue color. You can add another bangles also. 4 bangles, just 400 rupees only. 2-4 size available. 2-4 size available, just 400 rupees. Yellow color, beautiful yellow color, 400 rupees only. Regular wear, 4 bangles available. These are light brown color, 400 rupees, 4 bangles available. 4 bangles available. Regular wear bangles, 2-4 size available. 2-4 size. Gold coated bangles, regular wear. These are 400 rupees only. These are regular wear bangles. You can add some other your bangles also. Worldwide shipping available. Delivery charges applicable for worldwide. I mean abroad countries to Australia, UK, Canada, US. But whereas in India, it will deliver within 2 to 3 days. In India, delivery charges are not applicable. For more collection, please follow Empress Jewelry on Instagram. Our packaging will be too good and perfect and fine. You can, if you want to gift your friends, please let us know. We'll pack them as in a gift manner. These are beautiful bangles, regular wear bangles, just 400 rupees only. Quality will be premium quality, gold coated bangles. And these are 600 rupees. 600 rupees, dark green color, golden coated bangles, 2-4 size available. 2-4 size available, 600 rupees only. And these are 1,500 rupees. 12 bangles with premium quality, gold coated, silver bangles, beautiful stones, white color stones. 12 bangles available in this. You can see here.
Yeah, Ragini, are you there? I think Ragini is facing some network issue. Okay, so we'd like to thank Ragini for showcasing her products. And we wish her, When India wishes her all the best. And if you like any of her collections, do contact. You can message When India also to contact her, or else she has also shared her Instagram to contact her. Thank you, Ragini. All the best. And thank you all for joining us today.